channel. So today I have a new wig from Nadula, which I absolutely love. I cannot wait to put this wig on, but let me start off by showing you guys what came in the packaging. This is how it looks. So their normal packaging here, and let me show you what comes with it. So of course we have our wig, which we will get to in just a minute, but you do get this standard like little pouch here that has the elastic band to like melt your lace. You do get some nails and a wig cap. Now this is my favorite part. They did include some accessories and they are so cute and on trend right now, but look how cute. They sent these bows here, which I cannot wait to style. So I have the large one and then two smaller clip ones that are just like this. Super cute. So I will be using those in styling my hair today. So cute. But let me show you the actual wig. So this is the wig that we're working with today. It is a 7.5 bye-bye knots lace wig. This is their Brazilian hair, and it is like a light Yaki texture. So let me show you the lace here. And as you guys can see, it comes with like a natural type of hairline. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. So it's perfectly fine to just put on your head. Let me show you the inside. So it is a glueless type of unit. It does not have the combs along the sides, but it does have this elastic band here, and then you get a comb at the bottom, and of course you can adjust the straps on the wig. And then here we have the actual wig. So like I said, it is a light Yaki texture, so it is straight, but it has a little weight to it. It's like it's just thicker hair. It feels really good. Let me show you the ends of the hair. Looks like this. So this is what the wig gives and what it looks like. So I am just gonna put it on my head first to show you how it looks with absolutely nothing being done to it, but I'll probably end up adding makeup to it to give, you know, like a better blend. But that's about it, and then we're gonna style our bows. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like without me doing anything at all to it. I didn't add any makeup to it, but it just, yeah, it's just normal here. And like I said, it is glueless, so it fits really good and tight, you know. This one is a little bit thicker than some of the like light Yaki wigs that I had. This one definitely has a little more weight to it. So yeah, I don't really know. I think I'm gonna crimp this hair. I think I'm gonna crimp it, and I don't know. Okay, so now that I've tried the wig on without doing anything to it, I am going to add makeup to the lace and then come back and we'll style it. We can do it my way.